हांव एंथनी डिसिल्वा फ्रॉम आसोलना बेली. काल एक खबर आयकली आनी सोशल मिडियाचेर भरपूर व्हायरल जाला ती अबाउट एक इन्सिडंट जो मांद्र्यां जाला. हो इन्सिडंट हे इन्सिडंटांत एज पर वॉट आय हॅव लर्न थ्रू द सोशल मिडिया हो दिपन बात्रा म्हणटा तेणें अवटली जावं कवटली एक चॅलेंज दीन इंटेन्शनली मारिया फेर्नांडीस म्हणटा ते एक उडयलो आनी ते गेलो जीव गेलो. तेगेले कोण दोग जाण चेडे आहाय दे आर ऑल्सो आस्किंग फॉर जस्टीस. आतां हितू रोड ट्रान्सपोर्ट जावं मोटर व्हेकल एक्ट हितू लावपाचो प्रश्न म्हणून येयना. आनी वॉट आय हॅव गॉट टू अंडरस्टँड जस्ट इन द लेटस्ट तेजेर एक्चुअली मर्डर केस रेजिस्टर्ड जावपा आसलेल्यो जाल्या. सो one thing it definitely looks like it is an intentional murder to show one upmanship. Number one. Number two, a murder जेन्ना करपी तेगे thought process definitely looks like he was a very influential person, either with money, muscle or political power. And he thought that he could just get away with it. Or तेकडे दिसत आसतलें हेजें कितें जातलें, कोण कोण कितें करतले, केस रेजिस्टर करतले, बेल मेळटली, सुट्टलो, पयशे भरतलो थोडेच आनी तो वयतलो. Probably he wanted to teach a lessons to all the humans and especially to the goans कि for me your life is not just nothing. तो आता हेजेर बरी सख्त कारवाई जावपा जाय आनी you have to take very fast track action and we have to set this an example which time and again I have been telling the authorities to set an example of this type of people. And I stand by this family, I stand by this issue, and I stand by this incident to fight against such incidents in the future also. So let us set this as an example so that दुसऱ्यांकूय भिरांत दिसपा जाय की असो करप न्हू म्हूण. And this though is worst scenario that it was intentionally done after giving warning to them. So I hope we all can rise up. Maja Outin, I stand by these people, the victims and the family in these difficult times. Dev Bore Guru, thank you very much.